Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am Taylor, if you guys don't know who I am, and thank you guys so much for watching today's video. So today's video is going to be me unboxing my Boxycharm. I actually already know what I am getting in this, but I'm going to do a mini tutorial with all the products in this so you guys can see what kind of looks you can create with these items. So if you guys want to see what items I got in my Boxycharm for the month of April, then keep on watching. Let's go. So far I am liking Boxycharm. This is my second box and it is $21 a month, and they give you a little cute pamphlet thing. And this is this month's theme. It's like eye candy kind of thing. It's super cute. So this tells you what you get in here. So we're just going to go to the first item. And the first item is high definition liquid lipstick, which is super pretty. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is the color of it. It's kind of like a nude pink color, I would say. Let's see what color it swatches like. It is more of a... Okay, there you go. So it's more of a brown pink color. It's super pretty. We're going to use it in today's video. And it has so it dries down, but it has like a sheen to it. So even when you eat something or drink something, it's still going to stay on your lips. It's just the glossy part is not, which is, I find, very nice. The next product we have in the box is the brow gel. And this is from the brow gel, Tonya Crooks. And it is the Instant Brow Hair O2 Tinted Brow Gel with Fibers. Let's see what this looks like. So very nice, super pretty. We're going to be using this in today's video as well. So I'm going to mention all the prices too. So I forgot to mention the lipstick. This lipstick costs $24 for the full size. So that is a good deal. That is worth the whole box already. And so is this brow tint. This is $22 for full size. The next thing we have is Pore No More Vacuum Cleaner, which I'm super excited to try this out because I'm hoping it's going to actually like help my pores. The next product we have here is from Tarte, and this is what it is. It is Tarte's Pro Glow. I love some good products by Tarte. Like, I use their concealers, I use their blushes, their bronzers. They have really good stuff. So this is what it looks like, and I got the color Exposed. I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. So all you need is like a little dot, and then we're just going to blend this out. Super pretty, natural glow look. It's not too shimmery either, so I'm excited to see how well this works. And as you can see on my finger, it's super pretty. So I'm excited to try this out. And this one retails for $29, so that is an expensive highlighter, I personally think. Okay, and for the last product in this Boxycharm box, I absolutely love this. I've already swatched all of them, and it is the Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette by ColourPop's, and it is super pretty, and it has all these shades. It's super pretty. I'm gonna be doing some of these. I'm gonna be using one or two of these shades today in today's eye look. But this is what it looks like. The shades are small and they all are shimmery. I think these two right here would look really good in their inner corner area. So we're just going to use this today and see how well it performs, because the swatches are amazing, very pigmented. So if you guys want to see me use almost all these products in this month's Boxycharm, then keep on watching. Let's go. I'm going to do the eyeshadow first, just because I like working with my eyeshadow when my face is bare. Definitely with these shimmery eyeshadows, just because I don't want fallout on my actual foundation. Because then after, I can just take a makeup wipe and wipe it off and then do my base makeup. So I'm going to start off with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer like I always do. It's a great concealer, and I'm just going to add this on my lid area. I'm just going to use this brush from Wet n Wild to blend all of this out. So I have my concealer on and I've even stuck the concealer. So I am going to go into the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. I'm going to be using the shade Balm Diggity just right here. It's super pretty. It's like a brown color. And I'm just going to lightly put this in my crease. And we're going to do a super light natural look today. So this is just going to be our crease color. And I like to tap some of it off. And then we just lightly blend that into the crease. So this is what the eye looks like with just that blended. And I didn't dip in the second time just because I just want it to be one nice, smooth, light layer. So I'm just going to do it to the other eye really quick. So just like that, I have both of my eyes blended with the crease color. And I'm actually starting to like it. I think it's going to look super cute. And so I'm going to go back in the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. It is Oddball, and I'm just going to lightly tap my brush on it, just like that. And I'm going to tap it off again, and I'm going to add it lightly to the corner of my lid area. So I'm just going to take a small bit of concealer because I want to clean this up just a tad. So just like that much, maybe. Not that much, honestly. And then we're just going to lightly add this. To go back into the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette, and we're going to dip into Okie Dokie. And we're just gonna set that. So just like that, and you guys can already tell like the difference. It's super pigmented, but it looks really good. So I'm just going to add the rest to this eye. So just like that, now that I have the eye color done, I'm gonna go into the new Color Pop palette that I have. And I'm gonna be using this shade right here. It's super pretty. It is called Girlfriend. And when you swatch it, it's super pretty. It has like, it's like a white pretty color, but it has like a hint of like when you turn it to like a light or something, it's like a hint of pink. So I'm just gonna take this brush right here and I'm going to spray it with some water. And then I'm gonna dip into that color, and then I'm going to spray it one more time to add this to the lid and see what pretty color it looks like. This is what the eyeshadow color looks like, super bright and gorgeous. I'm just gonna do the exact same thing to the other eye. I'm just gonna do my foundation and my concealer off camera really quick just because this doesn't pertain to the Boxycharm, and then once I get to the products that I need to use for the Boxycharm, I will be back. So I am back with all my full face stuff on, and I'm going to do my brows with the Brow Gal, and I'm going to see how well it works and if I like it or not. And just to refresh you guys, this does retail for $22. So I would say this brow product doesn't look bad on my face. It looks pretty good, so kind of makes my eyebrows look a little bushy. So it doesn't look bad at all. I'm actually liking it. It looks pretty good. The next product that I got in my Boxycharm I'm going to try is the Tarte Pro, and I think I'm gonna use it with a wet beauty blender, like beauty blenders for wet highlights. Add a little dot right here, and by little I mean little, and then I'm gonna take the beauty blender and blend it out really fast. Try blending it out with my finger to see how well it goes. It doesn't look bad at all. I did use my finger. It's super blinding, but I had to use my finger, and I don't know if I look forward, can you guys see like not an overcast, but can you guys see like a cast, like a shadow? Maybe it's just me, I don't know. But I'm gonna do the exact same thing with this side really quick. It doesn't look bad, it is really shimmery, and it's super hard to blend once it actually starts sitting on your skin, but it looks really pretty, I like it. And so that was the Tarte Pro Glow, and this retails for $29. So for the last product is the lipstick, and I'm going to try this on and see how it looks on my lips. And hopefully it goes good with this pretty look. It smells amazing. So this is what the look looks like with all the products I use. So I just added some eye color underneath the eye, and I really like how this look is turning out. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, of me basically showing you guys what I got in my Boxycharm and reviewing it for you guys. I had so much fun doing this. I am in love with this new ColourPop palette. These shadows are super pigmented and they look gorgeous. I'm really loving this lip color. It's not something I would wear every single day, but it is super cute still. This highlighter, I'm not for sure if I like it. It does look very patchy to me, so I might have to like take my beauty blender and keep doing this and spray it with water and keep blending it out, or just add another highlighter on top of it. The brow product worked really well. I just think it makes my brows look really like full, and so I had to use a spoolie and like blend everything out, and it does take like a couple minutes for the product to dry, but it's still really good. And then the last product I haven't tested, but I'm super excited to try, is the Pour No More. I'm gonna try this tonight, and I'm gonna let you guys know down in the comments below if I like this, if I don't like this. Other than that, that was me reviewing my April Boxycharm. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big giant thumbs up. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button right down there and hit that notification bell so you guys can be one of the first people to be notified when I upload a new video. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!